I'm BK, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you guys about the definite article. Okay, what is definite article? First of all, we have to see it. Definite article is the. We use the with many things, with the adjectives, with the particular things, to specialize something, to make unique something, and so on. So come here and we see here that they do not change according to the gender or the number. They refer to, for example, the boy, the children, the women. Okay, now see here, they don't change according to the gender. Gender means if there is a man or woman or boy, she boy, he boy, or the number they refer to. If there is 1 or 2 or 3, so it makes no difference for this. Okay, that's okay. The is used. Now see here, the is used. The is used where? Where do we use the? Now see, we use the with many things, as I told you, with adjectives, with superlative degrees, with unique stuff, with decades of years, or with this kind of things. Okay, so first of all, to refer something which has already been mentioned. This is a special case. We use the to refer to something that has already been mentioned. How? See here, for example, an elephant and the mouse fell into love. Now we mentioned this clause. An elephant and the mouse fell into love. Now, as I said, we use the for the things that already mentioned. Now, this is mentioned that there is a love between the mouse and between an elephant. This is a mentioned sentence, a mentioned thing. Now, we use the mouse loved the elephant's long trunk. See, this now elephant is already mentioned it here. An elephant and the mouse fell into the love. Now this is a mentioned thing. The elephant and the mouse are mentioned. Now we use here a definite article, the. The mouse loved the. Again, the mouse loved the elephant's long trunk. Okay? Sentence number 3. And the. Again, there is the. And the elephant loved, again there is the, a definite article, the. And the elephant loved the mouse tinny nose. Okay, now first of all we have to think here. See, an elephant and the mouse fell into love. This is a thing which has been mentioned. Now after, as I said, we use a definite article, the, with the things that has already been mentioned. Now this thing is mentioned that there is a love between a mouse and an elephant. Now we use the mouse loved the long trunk of the elephant, and the elephant loved the tiny nose of the mouse. As you know that elephant has got a very big trunk, not like my hand, like I am like bigger than my whole body. And if we see that there is a very teeny, very smaller nose of the mouse. If we compare the mouse's nose and the trunk of the elephant, so there is a very big difference. If even we divide in parts the trunk of an elephant, it could make thousands of noses of a mouse. Okay, a mouse's nose is not equal. Thousands of noses of mouse are not equal to the trunk of an elephant. Okay, see here the other usage. This is done when both the listener and the speaker know what is talked about, even it has not been mentioned before. When both the listener and the speaker knows, even it has not been mentioned before, so we use the article, definite article, the. How like? See here. For example, where is the bathroom? The bathroom. Where is? Then we put here the. Where is the bathroom? This man is getting information about the bathroom. So this one says, ate the first floor, because both of them know about the bathroom. One is asking about the bathroom, the other is giving the informations about the bathroom, that where the bathroom is. So as both of them, they know about the bathroom, that's why we use the, means article, definite article the with the bathroom. We used without mentioning before the bathroom, because the speaker and the listener, both of them know. That's why. Okay? Now, in number 3, in sentences or clauses where we define or identify a particular person or object, when there is a particular special object or a person in a sentence, so we use a definite article the. How, like, see here the examples. There are some examples. The man who wrote this book is famous. The man who wrote this book is, we put the here because this man is particular, because he wrote a book and he is a famous person. That's why we put the before him, because he is a particular person, particular, special, paramount, or well-known. The man who wrote this book is famous. Which car did you scratch? Now see here. Which car did you scratch? There is a question. Which car did you scratch? Scratch. Now, for example, there are 2, 3, 5 or more than that cars in the park. One of them has been scratched by you, and you are asked, you are questioned that which one has been scratched by you. So now you are specifying, you are making a particular sentence for the only car that you have scratched. So you are going to say that the red one. The red one. Now, because there are white cars, black cars, blue cars, green cars, yellow cars, one is red that is scratched by you. So now you are pointing out to a particular car and saying that the red one, because you scratched and you are asked that which car did you scratch? Because among many cars, one is scratched that is particular. So you have to point out to the particular car that you have been scratched is the red one. You say the red one. Okay, that's okay. Now, my house is the one. My house is the one with blue door. Now there are many houses. For example, this is a street. From both of the sides, there are the doors in the street of the houses. So you are notifying someone, you are telling someone particularly about your house. You say, my house is the one with the blue door. You are telling him specifically your door, because you are specifying your door. You are telling him that the blue door is my house's door. So you are saying the door with the blue the house with the blue door, the house with the blue door is mine. Okay? That's okay. And after that, one other usage of definite article, the, the, the or the. Which one is the other one? To refer to object we regard as unique. For example, if something is unique, you are regarding something, some person, any object, unique. So again, you have to use the to make it unique than the others. Okay? Have, like, for example, the sun, the moon, the world. Now the sun, the moon, the world, they are the unique. Sun is the unique, the only one. Moon is the unique, the only one. World is also the only one. So to make something unique, the very high profile, so we use a definite article the with the nouns of the objects. Okay? Before superlative and ordinal numbers. Before superlative, for example, the best, the highest, the most beautiful, the most intelligent, and so on. So we use with the superlative degrees as well the definite article the. Have like, for example, the highest building, the first page. The highest building, the first page. Okay, with adjectives to refer to the to which groups of people. Okay, now for example, the Japanese, the Chinese, the Bengalis, and so on. This is for the adjectives. We can use definite article the with the adjectives. Japan is the name of a country. Japanese are the people who live in Japan. For example, I say, who is he? And you're replying me that he is the Japanese. It means you told me about his adjective. He is Japanese. His name is Shangjing, but he is from Japan. He is Japanese, they say. So, the Japanese. Okay? One other usage of definite article the, we use with names of geographical areas and oceans. If there is a geographical area or ocean, so again we use the before its name. Have like, for example, the Caribbean, the Sahara, the Atlantic, the ocean. Atlantic is the ocean. Sahara is a desert in Africa, a very big, large desert. The largest desert of the world is the Sahara in the Africa continent. Okay? With decades or group of years, I'm sorry. With decades or group of years, again we use definite article the. The is the definite article. Okay, we use with the decades or group of years. For example, she grew up in the 17s. She grew up in the 17s. Okay, thank you very much. If there is still any question about definite article the, so just write me in my comment box. Thank you very much.